Good evening, everyone. Just wanted to go over knock and just talk about a few things, the intraday chart and the daily chart, and just go over some things and just give you a little bit more clarity of what's been happening the past few days, the few sessions, I should say. But to start off on Friday, August 14th, I did notice some crazy action, which I posted about some things that just piqued my interest on the 14th. And I was kind of faked out because I thought on August 13th that this was the end of the reaction high on the bear flag, but it wasn't. So let's dive into things. We left off on August 14th for knock, and let's get into it. So this is the 10-day, 5-minute intraday chart. And this is the daily chart. So this candle right here, this red candle where it hit the reaction low, is actually, let's see, what day was that? I think that was the 10th. So it came back down here, and this is the 10th right here. It came back down here, and then this candle right here is the 11th right here. So it came down and kind of parabolic curved up and then made a shelf. And then on the 12th, you have, let me just zoom in a little bit closer. On the 12th, you had the runaway gap, came up, and then along with the moving averages and the EMAs, um, and those acted as supports, everything like that. And then you had a Bollinger Band squeeze here at the end of the 12th, and then came pre-market. You had what is a bull flag, came up, created the poles right here, the flags right here, and that was in pre-market on the 13th. Shot up and pierced 1090, and that's where I thought on the 13th, which would be, see, 10, 11, 12, 13. This inverted hammer right here, I thought that was it for knock. So, but it wasn't. So it came down here and then came back down. I thought it was going to start the reaction low towards this lower trend line there, but it didn't. And then that's what piqued my interest on the 14th, because it came up, came back down, and then yeah, I'm sorry, this is the 14th. All of this, so it came up, kind of created a bear flag right here, and then came up again, and then in pre-market, oh, I'm sorry, after hours. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. All right, so in after hours, it came up, created kind of like a what is this, like a cup and handle, I would say. Cup and handle came up, and then today shot up and tested past 11, and I kind of got psyched out again, came back down, and I thought it was going to test the reaction low on the daily, but it did not. And then magic happened this morning, and I certainly hope he took profits, because it tested up, or tested around 11, 12, came back down, looks like a double top formation here, and then couldn't reclaim 11, 12 or surpass it, and then it just came all the way down, and this is where we ended up in after hours at 1085. So looking at it a little closer, I think the reaction highs are done now, because of this candlestick. You can almost, this looks like a Dragonfly Doji, or yeah, it looks like a Dragonfly Doji to me. Um, so it tested the upper trend line again, which was the reaction high, and then came back down. And why I think the run is done is because of this. Let's go annotation here. So yeah, get out of here. So that was going, trend line broken. And now it looks like, let's get out of here. No, save. Let's go back to the 2-day. So now it was coming up and then it broke the trend line. So I think also there's a death cross. There's a death cross right here. So I think that the reaction highs are done, and it's going to, on the daily chart, come back down, and hit the reaction, hit another reaction low, and possibly break the lower trend line. And as I said, I believe that 8 is the bottom. It's going to come back down to 8, maybe even to 757 on the 325 ironclad moving average. And then from there, we could possibly see a major reversal to the bull side. So, yeah, I just wanted to clarify some things with you, go over it, kind of a play by play type of thing. And like I said, you're going to get more of these videos because I can use my cursor and pinpoint things and make things a little bit more clear for you. So I know some people are visual learners, um, some people, they listen and they learn. So either way, you get the best of both worlds with the charting videos. So yeah, I'm going to be on knock for a while until we hit that bull main reversal pattern again, because things might look bleak now, but it will get back up to this price, at least 13.5. And then with the new bull reversal pattern, it's basically just going to reset everything and just possibly retest back up to 17, but it's going to take a while, and I need to see the data to confirm it. So yeah, just wanted to go over this with you guys, and I hope you have a good rest of your evening.